we're going to have a look at functions and relations. A relation is any set of points which connects two variables. So if you think about a graph, it might be y is equal to 2x plus 3. There's a relationship there between the x and the y variable. If we move on and have a look at what a function is a relation, but no two different pairs have the same coordinate. So every function is a relation, but not every relation is a function. And we'll have a look at how does that actually work. We've got two tests that we can use to check if one's a function or a relation. So if a relation is given as an equation and substitution of any value for x results in one and only one, so a unique value, then it is a function. So that's the algebraic test. The other one is the vertical line test that we can use. So if you draw a vertical line, lots of vertical lines, if it only cuts it once, well, then we can say that it is a function. So let's have a look at another example. So if we look at this one, if I draw my vertical lines, only cuts it once, so it must be a function. Same with this one, I can draw many lines, each one only cuts once, so it too must be a function. Over here, if I draw my vertical line, I can see that it cuts twice. And that means that there are two values for x, which means that it is not a function. One thing to keep in mind, when you see these graphs, an open circle means that it is not included, where a closed circle means the point is included. So you might see some that have an open point and a closed point, so a line going this way, a line going that way. Well, this means that if we draw a vertical line, it only occurs once at this point here because it's not included at this point. So open circle, not included, closed circle is included. In function notation, we write f of x. So the f bracket x means f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. It's exactly the same as what you've seen before with y is equal to 2x plus 3, so the equation of a line. So they're the same things. And what we can do is substitute in values. So in this example here, if I want to find the f of 2, instead of writing the x, I would substitute in the value of 2. So that is how we would find the f of a value. But don't get confused. When you see the f with the brackets, f of x, treat it the same as y is equal to something.